seat mount kit for the BMW E36, E46 and E86 and 85 series cars. The base plate is made out of 4 pieces. To guarantee an easy assembly and to reduce the stress of the connection points. The kit is not only designed but also manufactured completely in Germany. The goal was to have the lowest possible seating position without any offset in front of the steering wheel and to have a very stiff setup. The key point is safety first. This is why we do simulations and FE analysis of every component and do have material certificates. The kit comes also with every required mounting material like those custom-made plates to reduce the surface pressure on the slider. It is made for most bucket seats available on the market due to the long holes on the side brackets. And you can also see, due to the bending, that we are already working on the offset in front of the steering wheel to reduce the torque and the momentum. As an optional item, you can also find a slider in our shop for this kit.